Hey guys, welcome back. This is Chris with MarketIntelliSM.com, and on today's video I'm going to show you two websites that you can use to work for data entry positions from the comfort of your house. Very easy jobs guys, but I have to give you a heads up, this is the minimum you can earn when it comes to online jobs. Data entry is always the minimum paid jobs, but if you are in need for money, there are no experience needed for doing something like that. It's very easy to use, so why not give it a shot if you are in need for some extra cash. So before we go ahead and jump on this video and show you these two websites, I would like to ask you, if you haven't already and this is your first video on my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button, follow this video. It would be a great honor to have you on my channel guys, and make sure you click the bell notification next to it so you can get a notification for the videos I release every single day, just for you to make money online. So with no further ado guys, let's go ahead and start today's video. Today I'm going to show you, as I talked to you, two sites that you can able to register and use as data entry job, and you can do this from the comfort of your house at any time. You can work as little or as much as you want, but as I told you, data entry positions guys is the minimum pay salary you can get when you're working online. So one of these sites I'm going to show you is called ToCaptcha.com. You can get the links listed below on the description of this video guys. And captcha solving is most simple and guaranteed way to have additional income on internet. And I want you to scroll down just a little bit to see, by clicking this video, exactly what they do.
Online without investment. ToCaptcha.com is your first online job. Anchor some images and get paid from 20 to 80 cents per hour. Work anytime you want without limits. Minimum withdrawal from $1. Withdrawal to Webmoney, Pazer, Bitcoin, and other payment systems.
So that's really fast guys on how you can see on how you can work. You click on image to relate it with the captcha. An average is 50 USD per hour for the work you do, and you have different options to get paid for doing this one. So what do I need to work as? You need a computer, a smartphone, and internet access, and it's taking about 5 to 10 minutes for the training to get completed in order to start. How it works, working on ToCaptcha is quite simple. Just hit start work and then you follow the process to do from here. And what you need to do to start guys is just a quick start here and follow the process in order to put your profile information and start. So this is one of them guys, the ToCaptcha.com. You can click on the link below. And the other one I wanted to show you is Indeed.com. When you come to here, what I would like you to do here is, because if you scroll down, you're gonna be a little bit confused on how this works. So I want you to go on the top left where it says in the what, and just type in data entry, and where, just write remote. You're gonna click on find jobs, and you're gonna be listed with a lot different available jobs. Now this one is much nicer. You can get an average of $10.64 per hour for doing remotely data entry, and you're gonna be able to see all the different jobs available for you to do. Again, the logic is behind. Now I'm not sure, I tried to look, but I'm not sure how many countries are available to do this, but because it's a remote data entry, you should be able to get, for most of the locations and countries in the world, you will be able to do an application and start working with them. So how you do, you can upload your resume, you can sign in, there will be assigning jobs after you they see your profile, and you're gonna be doing for them. Again, data entry guys is not the most high payable job, but if you're in need for some extra money, why not give it a shot to see if it's working for you? You can do it at the comfort of your house, at your own hours. You can work as much as little as you want, and you can make some money out of it, which is always good if you don't have any source of income right now. As always guys, my highly recommended way for you is to also click my #1 description below to see my #1 best way, recommended, proved way on how you can make money. It's free to join, video with proof to guide you, and passive money can come in even when you sleep guys. So why not give it a shot? It changed my life, it can change yours. This is what I wanted to show you today guys. I hope you enjoyed the content of this video, and if you like, don't forget to click the thumbs up Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Start making some money, guys. Enjoy the day. Bye bye.